So to engage the Y-axis in the program, you have to put in a G210, end of block input, hit start. I'm in MDI right now, and that will come on this Y-axis indicator. And then to move it, to jog it manually, you hold the jog key and you use the C1, C up and down to move it.
That's really slow.
And you can rapid it there. Okay. So one important thing is that you have to move it back down to be able to disengage it. You shouldn't do it by itself. So we've moved this up a couple of hundred down, and it should come down when I hit the G211 and $2, and this will disengage. And now you can see that it's back at home position, which is minus 870.